Hi everyone, we've got our first analysis video of the year, and this one is something that actually blew my mind. Let's have a look at it. Were you as gobsmacked as me seeing it for the first time? I honestly couldn't get my head around actually what happened. So let's have a look at it in a little bit more depth. The first couple of things I'd like to point out are the signs on the left saying that there's a road merging and the roadworks. When there are roadworks, these slip roads can often be shortened, leading to bigger problems with the cars emerging. It's at this point where you've got a choice to either adjust speed to help the cars emerging or lane change, and the camera doesn't do either very well. I'm actually sat here editing, still shaking my head in disbelief. Let's go back and look at a couple of other things. What I'd like you to concentrate on this time is the camera's speed. Now it's already crept up from 40 miles an hour a couple of seconds earlier, but watch what it does as risk increases. So the camera was actually increasing speed into this situation. And even after playing bumper cars for a bit, the speed had only dropped to 41 miles an hour. I don't think she braked whatsoever. Before we have a look at what the camera actually said about this incident, I'd like to say a massive thanks again to all my viewers and everyone who sent clips in. Without you, this series would be an absolute load of rubbish. Please feel free to pause the video and have a good read through if you want, but I'll just highlight the main bits. Effectively, Danielle, the camera, had only been driving for about a year and a half before this incident, and she doesn't drive very much. She realised her mistake that she didn't plan soon enough to potentially lane change. And she also realised that she should have braked. But her reason for not braking, as there was heavy traffic behind, honestly leaves me flabbergasted. The last sentence, though, is the worrying one, and I'll read it out. To my knowledge, there was no damage done to any of the vehicles involved. There was only light scuffs on my side mirrors where they were pushed in. Did she even stop to find out? Wow. She ends the correspondence with, "I hope you find the clip interesting." Absolutely, Danielle. Certainly do. It wouldn't be right if I didn't mention the other two people involved in this incident. Do you think the lorry to the left could and should have done anything different? And do you think the car in lane 2 could have done anything different? Let me know what you think in the comments. So to sum up, it's an easy one. Try not to steer to avoid incidents. Try and adjust your speed. I'm forever saying it to all my pupils about using your pedals more. Maybe use your acceleration sometimes to get yourself out of a problem. But this was not the situation to use acceleration. If the camera didn't have enough time and room and space to do a lane change, it's a simple task. Just back off your gas. Use your brake a little bit. Remember, your gas pedal is your trouble pedal and your brake pedal is your save pedal. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all soon.